Rolex Cosmograph Daytona self-winding chronograph.
Main features are design and case. The Daytona features a 40mm oyster case, crafted from materials like oyster steel, 18K gold, or 950 platinum, ensuring robustness and elegance. The case is waterproof up to 100 meters, 330 feet, due to its hermetically sealed caseback, screw-down trip-lock winding crown, and chronograph pushers. The bezel is engraved with a tachometric scale for measuring speeds up to 400 units per hour, often in high-tech ceramic, Cerachrom for modern models.
The scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating protects the dial. Movement. Modern Daytonas, since 2000, are powered by the in-house caliber 4130, a self-winding mechanical chronograph movement, replaced by the optimized caliber 4131 or 4132 variant in 2023. It features a vertical clutch for precise chronograph operation, a Chronergy escapement, and a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring for shock and magnetic resistance.
The power reserve is approximately 72 hours, and it's certified as a superlative chronometer with precision of 2 + 2 seconds per day. Dial and functions. The dial is iconic with 3 subdials, a 30-minute counter at 3 o'clock, a 12-hour counter at 9 o'clock, and a small seconds hand at 6 o'clock. The chronograph measures elapsed time to 1/8 of a second via the center seconds hand. Dial options include black, white, champagne, mother of pearl, or rare meteorite, with some models featuring gem-set bezels, e.g. 36 sapphires in rainbow gradation. The Chromalight display offers long-lasting blue luminescence for readability. Bracelet and clasp. Available with an oyster bracelet, 3-piece solid links in oyster steel, gold, or platinum, or an Oysterflex elastomer bracelet for some gold models. The Oysterlock safety clasp includes a 5mm EasyLink comfort extension. Price and availability. Retail prices vary by material, starting around $14,800 for oyster steel models like Ref 126500LN, with gold or platinum versions exceeding $40,000 to $100,000.